evening, ladies and gentlemen, and silver tubers around the world. It is Mr. Zeke at the silver pouring bench. Not going to do any pouring this evening. I'm sorry for that. However, I came home to this gigantic box, and I am going to do an unboxing. I don't get to do unboxings all that often, so when I get a box, I love to do an unboxing. This is from Silverino. Silverino and I came to a mutual arrangement. He had something I wanted, and I had something apparently he wanted, and we worked it out, and his is on the way, so I'm jumping the gun a little bit, but I am impatient. And what he had that I wanted was a giant box, a giant box of bubble wrap. How can you go wrong with a giant box of bubble wrap? All kidding aside, they're going to let the Swiss open the package this evening. Very carefully, because I do not want to injure the contents of this package. Oh, what a thing of beauty. Oh my goodness. Oh boy. Bada bow 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 bow. Bow bow. Bada bow bow. Banco de Mexico. Oh my gosh, this is just beautiful. Look at that. Libertad Siri Plata. Oh man, look at that. Certificate of authenticity right on the box. Man, this is gorgeous. The box alone is beautiful. Ready? Ba 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 ba. Oh, he even threw some bubble wrap inside. Nice. They tried to escape. Look, one of them tried to escape. Not getting out. Oh my goodness. This is absolutely gorgeous stuff. What this is this is one of the 2015, and you might have seen these in his video not too long ago, just recently. This is one of the 2015 Libertad sets, complete with Lady Liberty here. You know what, I don't even want to take her out. I'm going to keep this all just nice and packaged up, although she sits right here. Man, these things are, they're just breathtaking. Look at that. 1/2 ounce Plata Pura. So in this set you've got the 1/2 onza. You've got the 1/4 onza. All still in their airtights. This little booger right here tried to make a break for it. You've got the, come on, focus, 1/10 onza. And then the little guy down here in the end. About the size of a dime. 1/20th onza. Beautiful, beautiful set. Absolutely gorgeous. Can't say thanks enough. This is going to go on the special shelf. On the special shelf for sure. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm eternally grateful. And just the entire package from start to finish. The presentation, the box, the contents, everything is just utterly amazing. It truly feels beautiful. Just the feel in your hand. It feels like you're holding something precious. Um, Thank you, Silvertino. I very much appreciate this. The rest of you silver tubers, have a wonderful Wednesday evening, and we will talk to you soon, hopefully. Hope everyone's having a great week. Take care.